Okay, I just got my Philips SpeedPro Aqua 3-in-1 from Shopee during the Shopee sales 11 of 11 this year, 2021. And it's actually quite good deal because I bought it for worth 959 ringgit from the original price, which is 1,199. So it's worth. So I'm gonna unpack this thing and see. I'm gonna read the manual, how it works, everything, and we will see the the advantage of this Philips SpeedPro Aqua 3.1 3-in-1. So it's written here 3-in-1 with vacuum, mop and handheld. So I decided to buy this after I see few review online, and it have multiple functions which I felt like worth buying. So I unbox it, and then this is the manual book, and here are the heat. Okay. And they give these additional cloths for the mopping. Here all the compartments. I have to explore this, see what the function. So this how it looks like after I unpack everything. So this is what they gave me, and plus the manual is actually mostly on illustrated graphics. So there's no wording, so I think it's easy to understand. It will take time a bit. So I'm gonna see how it works. Hopefully it's up to my expectation.